Sorry about that, y'all. I'm back. I was saying the neighbors across the street got to be ecstatic because these are homeowners. Could you imagine those decades of them hearing all the shit that was going on over here? Ugh. I mean, you just got to look and go, what is it with people who I guess don't make that much money? Like more people that are in impoverished situations, why do they have to act like animals? I don't get it. Why just because you have lower income, why do you have to act ghetto? Why? Why do you have to be messy? Why do you have to be dirty? Why do you have to have roaches in your house? Just because you have lower income. Why do you have to be loud and obnoxious and ignorant? I don't understand that. And then you wonder why people look at you like animals. I would. I'm looking at my own people like animals. And when I say own people, I don't mean black. I just mean people that ain't got a whole lot of money. I ain't got a whole lot of money, but I know how to keep clean. I know how to be quiet. I know how to be respectful. I know how to not keep my neighbors up all night because I'm fighting. I don't get it. It's like a prerequisite. If you ghetto, you gotta come with mess. Why? I don't know. I'm just letting steam off, y'all. I think it's this crack. I think it's this coffee. I'm gonna stop drinking Starbucks coffee. Another thing, this is Dogville. I'm telling you, boy. I seem like everybody in this apartment complex got a dog. And I don't understand. This is one thing I would never understand. Why would you buy a dog or dogs? Because I see some of these people got 3, 4 dogs. Big dogs in an apartment. I ain't going there. I'm going to have people that love dogs on my butt. Let me stop. I want to say congratulations to those who got elevated last week from IDs to A-Book. Congratulations, y'all. It was a journey. We did it. Well, y'all did it. I'm doing mine in April. But congratulations. Never thought we would get to this point. A lot of long days and nights, boy. Driving in circles. Lashing. Late night lashing her to early morning, boy. Ooh. We got to the finish line, y'all. Now we can relax mentally. But the journey has just begun. We newbies, y'all. We new A-Books. The journey has just begun. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm already tired. I'm already ready to retire. It feels like I've been on the job forever. And my journey is just beginning. Oh, God give me strength. Oscar. Well, y'all, I'm getting ready to finish up, eat the rest of my chicken sandwich. Yeah, chicken sandwich. My chicken sandwich is crispy and delicious, cooked to perfection. Yeah, it good. It good. Deuces.